For a custom collision shape, first add a static body 2D as a child of the scene, then add a collision polygon 2D as a child. While the collision polygon 2D is selected, we can select the green button to add points, the blue button to move them around, and the red button to remove points. When adding points with the left click, make sure you finish the shape off by clicking the final point. To add additional points, use the selection tool, then select one of the sides and move it as you like. Additionally, you can also go to the right and select the polygon property and hit add element. From here, you can also edit the position of existing points to ensure that they are perfect. You can also disable the collider and make it one way. Additionally, you can change the build mode. Solids will treat the collision polygon like any other basic collision shape, whereas segments will only have one collision on the lines between each point of the collision polygon. In the case that you are using a Polygon2D node in your game, for quick collision, you can drop down data and right-click polygon and hit copy value, then go to a collision Polygon2D node, right-click its polygon property and hit paste.